I will share this low-carb Filo zucchini pizza with just 220 calories per slice and totally guilt-free. Start by slicing zucchini into super thin ribbons and give them a sprinkle of salt to draw out that extra moisture. Next, mix ricotta with chopped basil, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt for a creamy tangy feeling that's just perfect. I don't recommend blending the ricotta as it can become too liquid. Mixing by hand works best. Then blend milk, egg, and olive oil. Brush each delicate Filo dough sheet with the mixture. If the dough tears, no stress, just layer another sheet on top. You can also fold the edges of the Filo dough to create small borders like a real pizza. Spread the ricotta mixture over the dough, then arrange the zucchini slices in a delicate overlapping layer. I like to use both green and yellow zucchini to make it look even more vibrant. Brush the top with more of the egg mixture and finish with a sprinkle of dry oregano and a generous grating of Parmigiano Reggiano. Bake for about 20 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. This pizza delivers a mix of crispy, cheesy goodness with fresh zing of lemon and zucchini. It's my favorite go-to for a delicious, guilt-free treat. Try it, and I bet you'll be hooked too.